वाईफाई से कनेक्ट करना था या नहीं? आई एम ऑन।
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Right.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. हाँ हो गया. चलो. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Greetings of the day. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
लैपटॉप पे हो गया ज्वाइन.
সিকিউরিটি সাতটা বন্ধ.
Evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहा है. लैपटॉप पे.
We have a problem, ma'am. Ma'am, please reply in app, ma'am. I can't open the app. Hello, ma'am. Are you hearing?
मम्मी के पास भी नहीं है दुकान
Hello,
पे.
ma'am. Hello. Hello.
क्या लोग क्वेश्चन की किसी को
Ma'am, in app I can't store my daughter number. How can I open?
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
नेम चेंज करना मुझे मां.
Good evening, ma'am.
कलरिंग करती सीनियर पास पे नहीं करती.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot join in laptop, ma'am. Ma'am, how to do it on laptop? Ma'am, I can't join in laptop. I also joined from laptop. Ma'am, इसकी आवाज आता है.
Anybody able to do on laptop?
I am able to do on laptop. Yes, ma'am, I am able to do laptop. I am able to do laptop.
Please write in chat how to do it. चला गया
Go to show column and then you will see that class is live. Join now. Then click that join.
I'm not able to hear you. Please write in steps.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. How to join the class? Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am. Provide the links. Ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't receive the link for the class. Like this only will get notification, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't receive the link for the
Ma'am, today my daughter not present for junior class session, ma'am. There is no link for me.
Ma'am, I didn't get the link for. Hello. हाँ बोलो. Hello, ma'am. हाँ बोलो.
Good morning, ma'am. I was doing yoga.
क्या? Good afternoon. भाई क्लास चल रही है.
सारे लैपटॉप पे कर रहे हैं देखो.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I can't see your picture over here. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't get the link for the class. How to do it on laptop? Can anyone tell me? On the app, I didn't receive the link for the class. I don't think we can do it from the laptop.
We can.
Yes, you can do it from the laptop. I have joined through laptop. We can do it from laptop.
Yes.
You tell
Okay, Aradhya Agarwal and Garima Dubey.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. And today is our first day to application. Thank you so much for your very patient cooperation throughout. It was a very challenging journey, switching on to our own application. But due to lots of patience and cooperation from all of you, finally, today we are in our class. Okay. Now, see students, if you remember today, I told you that we are going to learn a very different topic of drawing, and that is we are going to learn today comic stripes. Okay, comic stripe, you can pick it up it as a career option also. Illustration making, it is called illustration making. In that, the stories are given to you and you are supposed to make your drawing related to that. Okay, so today's the stories. Normally I just do this session in live when I am taking class physically in my class, and my students love to have this kind of session, and I just call it as movie session to my students. So the best way of designing comic is all of you close your eyes. If you have lots of noise around, just turn it off. You will see your brain. You know, your brain is a great projector and your eyes are the screen. You can see, if you will close eyes, you will find a white curtain in front of your eyes. I just want all of you, keep your pencil eraser down and experience it. This is the best way for comic. Yes, please do this. Okay. In my class, my students are crazy for this kind of activities. And now I will narrate a story. You will see, now let's check that your projector is working properly or not. Can you see your school building? Close eyes. Yes, you can see. See, building is not in front of you, but your brain. Whatever we listen, whatever we see, whatever we read, it is capturing. It is a great storage device, and your brain is having memory of everything. When we use the same memory for making drawing, it is called memory drawing. Can you see your school building? Projector is working, screen is working. Okay. Can you see the face of your fast friend? Yes, is it working? Projector is working properly? Okay, fine. So it means everything is all right. Now I will start with my story. Try to see the story as a movie in front of your eyes. This is the story of two clouds in the sky. Two beautiful clouds. But one cloud is white, fluffy, beautiful. And the second one, gray, little dark. Show thumbs up if your projector is working properly. Yes, okay. They were floating in sky together, smiling together. When they came across, few children were playing in ground. They were flying kites. And after looking at that white fluffy cloud, one of them said, "Oh, look at that beautiful white cloud. Wow, it's looking so cute, fluffy like a rabbit. And look at that ugly one, black and gray. Oh my God, I just dislike that cloud." Listening this, the other cloud that was gray become unhappy. Suddenly the smile on face disappear. They start moving forward and some shoot was going on. Okay, a movie shoot was going on. There also, after looking at that gray cloud, director said, "Oh my God, oh no, this gray cloud appear again. We don't want this. We want white cloud so that the scene can come perfectly. Even in selfie, it will come perfectly." And again, this comment of that director made that gray cloud upset again. They start moving further. And now the gray cloud was having lots of complex. "Oh God, why you made me so dark? Why you gave me such gray complexion? All hate me, no one loved me." And while floating in sky, they came across a village. Farmer was standing, staring towards sky and looking at white cloud. Farmer was having tears in eyes. "Oh God, please send that gray cloud which will change our life. Can I see gray cloud today?" And suddenly the gray cloud also appeared. Farmer and their family, they start dancing. They started playing drums. They welcome that cloud. Oh, my dear cloud, we were waiting for you since long. We welcome you. They started hugging each other and playing as dancing and playing drums, and they welcome. And that time that gray cloud realized that this color is because of lots of water in it. And we should always focus on quality. We should not complain to God. This color, the qualities, everything is blessings of God. And cloud was happy that today is able to help that farmer by showering the rain over that village. Slowly open your eyes. How many of you were able to see the movie? Yes, you all. Okay. So whenever you are planning or designing any comic, close your eyes and just so now few tips I'm sharing with you, and I know you all are very good story makers. You all are now. You can develop a story like articles, essays. Now you are, suppose this is a challenge, and try this also. You will become a comic stripe maker also. Okay, you in your story, a small stories, you will just convert it in comic. You know what? It's a great career option. Yes, people. There is a great demand of this kind of artist in market today. Those are good at illustration. So the very first thing, your story should be simple as today's story, gray and white cloud. Secondly, don't overthink. Okay, and in our comic, we are going to make dialogue balloon. Have you ever read comics? How many of you have read? Yes. So dreaming balloon, dream balloon, dialogue balloon, and explanation stripe. There are three things in our comic. So see, in our comic, first you will take a rough paper and make a rough layout as I made on this rough paper. Okay, you will make a rough layout. Like in this, I just made the two clouds are there floating. One is happy, one is unhappy. You can make one dialogue balloon here. I will be showing with sketch pen. One dialogue balloon here, and the language will be yours. You know what? Good command over language you gain when you start making. See, one dialogue balloon I will be making from here. So see, this dialogue is of this gray and this is of this white. So this arrow, this kind of curve will point towards that. Now here kids are flying kites. After looking at them, they just pass very positive comment. Gray cloud is again unhappy. Then here taking selfie, and again, oh, that gray cloud had spoiled my selfie. Okay. And now the farmer, okay, crying. All the crops is about to get destroyed because of no water. I hate you, white cloud. Okay. You have beauty, but no hope for us. Okay. The farmer is saying, you have beauty, but no hope for us. And suddenly when gray cloud appear, they start dancing. The whole family, you fill our lives with hope and joy. We welcome you. We love you. You are best gift of God. Okay. So this way is a rough layout. And the best way is close your eyes. Your brain projector will show. Even you can zoom. In a story, like see, you can try, close your eyes. And any scene you pick up. Now, suppose you have picked up the scene where all kids are flying kites. Just zoom and focus on the child. You can even zoom in your, and you can see, yeah, I can show hands this way. So see, your brain is great projector. Memory, great device which have lots of memory. Using that memory, when we implement it on paper, it is called memory drawing. It is called memory drawing. Okay. So today we did a very special kind of activity. And are you ready for comic stripes? Yes. Okay. So today's story is our clouds. So what we will be doing now, see, today I'm going to give you one challenge. The cover page of today's story and the name of today's story is your choice. The name to the story you are going to give. And see, in my story, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 scenes. So I will divide my paper in 6 parts. So one will be cover page. Okay, you will give a name to your story. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My story will finish. Okay, so let's get started. I can divide my paper using a scale in 3 parts, or You can do one more thing. Suppose this scene you want to keep big, a very special scene you want to keep big. You can think. And for showing thinking, like this is thinking, not saying thinking. So for thinking, what we do, we draw a balloon this way, thinking. This is the symbol of thinking and this is dialogue balloon. Okay. And when we explain, they move further. This is the description box. They move further. No one is speaking, but this is the connectivity that what happened in background. So let's get started with our comic stripe. And here you are free with your imaginations. And so you can take measurement, divide your complete paper in 5 equal stripes. Come on. Okay. And in my junior classes in my school, my students are crazy for this session, you know. Yes, so see, I will simply fold my paper. I will make one line here, slightly bigger or smaller. It's not going to affect it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and I will divide it half. Okay, and here the cover page I want to see. It will show your creativity, how creative you are. Okay, yes. So see there, scene 1, and you can write, give numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. And don't overthink while making your comic. Don't overthink and keep your story very simple. Start with this, and then slowly and slowly you will be able to. Yes, we are going to do the same. This rough paper. See, you can prepare, do rough preparation like this. I took a rough paper and I just decide, okay, I will start. My scene number 1 is going to be this kind. And then here the kids are playing and flying kites. Here dialogue balloon will come here. And here this person is taking selfie. This is mobile and just, oh, this gray cloud spoiled my selfie. And here, I hate you, white cloud. You have beauty, but no hope and for us. And then gray cloud appear. You fill our lives with hope and joy and prosperity. We welcome you. We love you. You are the best gift of God. You know, so this ways we will be showing. So scene number 1, 2 clouds in the sky. Okay. Have you done? Divide your paper in 5, 6 equal stripes. And you know what? Today, graphic designer, this illustration designing, this comic stripe making, designing, it is highly demanded profession. You know this? Yes. So your imaginations and your creative skill, you can opt it as your career option also. Yes. Measurement, see, you just divide it without measurement. Your paper, according to your paper, just divide and divide it in 3 parts. Because of this, I just make 3 stripes. I find it easy. Using scale and taking measurement, I always find it very irritating. I prefer to do it freehand. So I did this way. If your blocks are slightly bigger or smaller, it's not going to make a difference. Okay. So now is this ready? Blocks are ready? Yes, you can try your own comics. You're most welcome for that. Today you can start with me and you can start making in free time. Believe
Hi,
me, it's a
ma'am.
great. Yes, please. Now Ayushi is here to solve.
Do we have any questions?
Any query? Anyone is having any query? You can type and send. I have not be online in 2 mobiles because if you go in laptop, it will go off in mobile. Aishi.
Is it turning off if you're turning it on in mobile? There might be the reason because you can be able to log in only in one device. I'll have to check it and then I can get back on this.
And it was so easy from Soumya Bhave. It was so easy to join from Arjo application. Thank you for it. Thank you, Soumya. Even every time we need to log in through Zoom.
Yeah, every time you'll have to log in through the application only. It will show a join now button or the a notification would come through which you have to join.
Okay, you can join through
No,
notification
this is not
also.
pre-junior batch. This is senior batch going on.
This is senior batch going on. Ma'am, if I have paid 6 months, then why do I need to pay 190.78? Ananya Singh.
Ma'am, that is the application tax amount which we are bound to pay, and we could not get it redeemed as we have redeemed most of the amount. So the amount you are paying, actually you will get the cashback of that, and you all the students who have paid this amount, they will receive the cashback of that amount with their next enrollment.
Okay, with cashback, you can redeem this with your next enrollments. How to join
No,
class
ma'am, the
in
IDs
laptop?
will be, ID and password will be different every time. It will be a unique ID password generated every time.
And how to join with laptop?
To join with a laptop, please visit web.rgo.com and you will be able to log in to your app account there.
How to join from desktop?
Same procedure, ma'am. Same procedure for the desktop also.
Ma'am, I paid through application, but after that, should I do something?
No,
Anya.
if you have paid to the application, you don't have to do anything now. You can go
No.
to your courses by going to the store tab, and there you will find the purchased courses.
Advita, ma'am, it is very hard. It keep telling error, Advita.
There must be some internet issue here. Please restart. You'll be able to do that.
Okay, ma'am, I don't know how to get the link. You will not get links now. You will get notifications, you know? For the
And
course
for the
you have.
recording, you will get the recording in the chat box.
Okay, recording you will get in chat box. Ma'am, I will pay through application, but after that, should I do something? No, it's not required. If I have paid for 6 months, then why do need to pay 190? Okay, this was the same question. See, it is the amount which will be refunded back because that is the to step forward further in this procedure. This is the amount you're supposed to pay, but we will issue one coupon which you can redeem in your upcoming courses. And one more question, let me see. My sister, ma'am, my sister is also in junior batch. How do we have only one number, Aishi?
That is okay. That is okay. At the time of your sister's batch, she can join, and at your time you can join.
Okay. And
using the same number and account.
Using the same number and account, your sister's time she can join, your time you can join. Okay. Notification did come, and why I did not join classes. Ma'am, today notification did come, and that's why I did not join classes. Notification came. It came today also. I want to get enrolled. I asked to get the link from the RGO. So please send the links. See, you will not get links now. You will on application. Aishi, please reply to this question.
You will not get the links now. You will start receiving the notification and a join now button in the purchased course, where you will be able to click and join the class directly. So every time the class will get started, you will see that button.
Okay. So this is all about, and see, one video is also attached in the application. This on the home page of application. Go to that video, and everything will be clear. Don't worry about batch code. You are doing. You're supposed to do nothing with batch code. Okay.
Yeah, but you don't have to do anything with the batch code. We will be removing it soon. So don't get confused. You have to go to the store tab. And when you are opening the web version, you have to go to the store tab and click the store and go to the purchased courses.
Batch code is nothing. You are supposed to ignore that, hai na, Aishi?
Yeah.
And those who will join now through application, so simply you are supposed to select course. Aishi, please tell them the procedure. Those who will be joining now through application.
Who are joining now through the application, you have to go to the courses, the store tab, and there you will be able to find your courses.
Okay. And yes, so now let's come back to our work. and let's get started. So see this cover page
Yeah,
of this comics.
we do
yes,
not
Aisha.
have Paytm option in the application, but we have many other options. And if the coupon code is not available, you must have received the link to a form. So please fill the form.
Okay, now let's come back to work. And our scene number 1 is 2 clouds. Yes, you can even make boxes. And now my scene number 1 is 2 clouds in the sky. Okay, so simple. The first one is, this is gray. Okay, and keep your drawing very simple. And in comics, suppose you are making 2 characters, so and they are continuing. So you will take care of dress, hairstyle. It will continue, okay? See, this is gray cloud and this is white cloud. I will show 2 mountains and the dialogue balloon. Okay, so there this. Any dialogue you can do. Hey, look at this lovely weather. So beautiful, na? And gray cloud is thinking something. Oh, it's God, this is so beautiful. I'm so black and dark. Look at that cloud, how fluffy and beautiful and white it is. You can show a small smile also. Okay. Now here, this is looking at beauty, slightly sad. Okay, slightly sad. So you will not overthink when you are making comic and your drawing. Go for simple. Start with very simple. Okay, dialogues will be yours. I really want to see what kind of dialogues you are giving. Okay, and here I will even will find chance to know your command over language. Okay, so it's very helpful for improving your vocabulary also. Sometimes you don't know a perfect word for that. And even here you can explain. It was a big, nice sunny day. And it was a nice sunny day. If you want to describe something, you can make a box, description box. Now scene number 2. Okay. Scene number 2. Here I will be showing 2 kids. They are flying kites. Okay. I will be showing back portion. Come on, let's get started. I will be making circle and 2 diagonal lines. Okay, one more is standing here. Okay, you will simply, and here you are free with your imaginations. Okay, simply show 2 lines. Okay, I will go slow. See what I'm doing here? You can see this is a circle, 2 diagonal lines. You will be showing the shots this ways. I'm using very simple artworks so that, and here I can show and Naina, we started with our comic stripe. Okay, so see this here you are going to make your cover page. This is your, I want to see that how you design. We started with 2 clouds. One is dreaming. For dreaming, you will be making this face. And for dialogue balloon, you will be making this kind of curve in the end. Now in scene number 2, when they just come forward, here this hand, one hand is upwards, one is downwards. And I will be showing this manja. You know manja? A special kind of thread. How many of you know? Yes, it is a very special kind of thread. And you know why this flying kite, this game was invented in India? Do you know the reason behind? Huh? during morning and evening time? Because that time staring clouds and sky is very good for eyes. Okay? Sky gazing. It is called sky gazing. So see here, this is a charki, chakri or charki, what we call it. And here I will be showing my kite. Keep your graphics, your artwork very simple. Okay? And now here, suppose these two are holding and standing here. So what you can show some houses, some trees, you can show your garden. So whatever you feel like to show here, this is completely your choice, okay? So here you will find lots of scope of showing your creativity and your talent. Like if you feel that I want to show a garden, you can show a garden. If it is a village, going to village, so you can show some houses and this kind of little, okay? Ears, and this boy is standing, and this is standing and pointing towards this cloud. This is a girl, and some dialogue we can give to this girl also. Okay. See, suppose this is here. They move further. Now here I want to describe. They move further and reach to playground. Okay, so this is not a dialogue. This is not a dialogue. This is the scene number 1 is getting connected to. And here you can write two clouds, two friend clouds. They were roaming in sky. You can write this way, or they were just moving ahead just to see this beautiful world. And here you can see they reach to a playground where two kids were flying kites. Okay. And then you can write your dialogue balloon. You see two hands upwards. You can see my figures are very simple. I will not go for realistic. Slowly and slowly, when you will start having command over, then you can try. With some technical also. I'm going to show this girl is also saying something, looking at those clouds. Okay. I can show one ponytail or plaits for showing this girl's hair. Okay. And again, I will be showing white. And gray cloud. Okay. As these are main characters of our story, so we will be keeping them little big. I will show. Okay. If you want to show some trees, now how much time you have for making your tree? If you want to show house very far, whatever you want to add here, whatever. Okay. Want to show some bushes. If you want to show more kites, you can show more kites also. Coming from here, you can show, add more. And I will add some birds. Okay, add some birds. So this is our scene number 2. I will give little closer view. Okay, and here I can, no, it's going out of the frame. And now we want to make 2 balloons. So this girl is saying, oh, look at that ugly black cloud. And see, that white one is looking so wonderful now. So this ways you can make 2 dialogue balloons. Now here no one is thinking, both of them are speaking. So one dialogue balloon, this girl, I'm giving to this girl. And here, one dialogue balloon I'm going to give to this boy. Now see, as this dialogue balloon has come, now I will clean it. And suppose in your drawing, you are using your blue color for showing sky and different color, give yellow or any light color. You can leave it white also. And a text should be clear and the language should be simple to understand. Yes, I'm waiting. Finish this. And here you can, if you want to add few more things, yes, you can add. Okay. Do this. And you know what? You will start loving it. Whatever story you have, just create your comic. Boys, they love to make stories for superheroes and aliens and all. Girls, they love to go for very sophisticated stories with Barbies and all, with very, and they just want some very good, lovely shabash. Okay, at place of 2, you can make only 1 or you can make even 3. If you want to add more dialogue balloons, you can add this kind of comments and what is the message we want to convey. In the end, one more can be given with the moral. If you will conclude your story with a moral, one more, like here it is headline and end we can do with moral also. Okay, so many of you, we love aliens and mermaids. Sometimes we love to write some stories full of this kind of characters, like mermaid or fairies and angels. You can try. If you want to write something with some animals and all, like Jungle Book, you can try that also. See, text will be yours. Okay, text is going to be yours. I really want to see that what command you have over language. Okay, and many times you will start thinking that what particular word I want to give the explanation to this boy's words. So you start searching, and this is very helpful. This way is improving your vocabulary. Okay, you describe, so it improves your writing skill, your essay writing skill, and the best thing which it contribute in is your memory drawing. And the things which are in your memory right now, what are you doing? The things which are in your memory, you are developing them as a scene. So that connectivity, the lines, the implementation, and your projector, I can call it projector. So you are just connecting them. And this kind of artwork is called memory drawing. Okay. And you know what? You will become keen observer after when you will start developing your comic style. You will be observing people at railway station very carefully. You will be observing people at mandir very carefully. Okay, this fool wala is sitting this way. This animal has come this way. You start finding out stories everywhere. And what drastic and magical improvement in your creativity, in your writing skill, in your explanation skill, in your description skill, add, you don't even have idea. So the story by side is this. 2 clouds, gray. We are going to do gray color and white. They just went out to just roam around in open sky. And Gray was thinking, I'm gray in color. I'm not looking that wonderful as this fluffy cloud is. And this thought made little unhappy. This cloud is little unhappy, but not very much. When they just reached to a park, suddenly those 2 kids who were flying kite, they shouted, hey, look at that beautiful white fluffy cloud. It's looking great. This girl said, yes, but look at that ugly black one. I dislike it. This ways. And exclamatory marks. Don't forget exclamatory marks. Punctuation marks is very important. It plays very important role in dialogue balloon. Okay. Now, and here again, this one is very happy. The smile will become more wider. And it has turned sad. More sad. Okay? Yes. If you want to make proper lips and all. That's very good, Keshav. You start making comic also along with stories. We all are story makers, We all have this skill. We are blessed with this kind of skill. And stories, you will start observing stories around you. When you will, once you will become a comic stripe maker. Now in scene number 3, okay, in our rough layout, what is our scene number 3? Scene number 3 is selfie master. Okay, you can make a girl or a boy holding mobile in hand. Okay. Oh, this gray cloud spoil my photograph. Okay, this dialogue we are going to give. Now let's make a selfie master. First part is given to you. Okay, you will be making cover page of this story. You will give a title and cover page you will be designing. This is your task. Okay, this first challenge I have given to you. How you are making? Let me see how my students are doing. Yes, sketching, outline, everything is required in this. Now in my scene number 3, what I'm going to do, selfie master, again, you can go for very simple. Okay, rough layout will give you idea. You can keep taking reference. So this ways, I will be showing a boy or a girl. You can even make a girl also. Simply standing on the height, mountain. As I told you, don't overthink for comic and keep it as simple as you can. I will be showing one hand upwards with mobile. Okay, in front. One you can make 2 parallel lines. A t-shirt. And simply simply draw the lines, position. If you want to keep hand over, okay, this way, you can keep your hand this way. First, make a line figure. And a line figure will help you a lot in developing your figure. So this one hand is selfie. Okay. And this mobile. In hand. If you want to show any other hairstyle, you can try. Yeah, see, this is the rough layout. Okay. First, you will develop your story with rough layout. I am going to show this ways. Okay. And simply show. Okay. Okay, mountains all around. Okay. And because of this person's decided, and here you can write the description box. One person was taking selfie and suddenly they appear. Okay. Here they appear. This gray cloud here we will highlight because a negative comment for gray. And here in corner, if you want to show cap, as it is, we are showing the scene is from back side. The face is that side, so you can simply show a line this ways and cap. Okay, this ways you can make a cap also. If you want to make it slightly out and flat, more flat. So you can add a cap also. I don't want to add any cap because I want to keep it very simple. But yes, you can add that. So these all kind of experiments you can do. I'm keeping my graphics very simple. Characters very simple. And you can even take white. White is very happy. Now see here, we want to give a big dialogue to this cloud. Oh God, why you gave me no, Khushi, you can make your own comic also. But as we are going to do colors together, there's some teaching specially to enhance your that skill of imaginations. You know? So today you can try this with me if you want. But here characters, yes, you can change. You can make a girl. If you know any other stylish hairstyle, you can try that. Here you can change background, position, you can change. But I will suggest that develop a story with me. You can change characters and you can change background. But develop this story with me and remaining, because dialogue balloons, they are yours. Description boxes yours. Imaginary boxes, balloons are yours. And just develop. Here at the place of showing mountains or anything, you can show a jungle or a flower garden where this person is taking selfie. And here I'm going to give a big dialogue that now lots of complaint has developed in this gray cloud. Very upset. So talking to God. And here we are going to give one dialogue balloon to this boy also. He like blaming and complaining, oh, this dirty, ugly cloud up here and spoil my picture. It has become dark and all, you know. So this is two big dialogues you can add here to make our comic little more meaningful. So this is gray cloud again, and this is white. Now again, for at the place of mountains and all, we will do colors next class. Next Friday, we will color it, okay? And if you want to show some flowers or anything, you can try that. You can show that selfie on the peak of mountain. And this is, can I say, I'm eagerly waiting what kind of background you all have made. Wow, I'm so happy to see your experiments. You all have tried different things. Although without outline, this is not very clear. Great. I can see this girl in a gown for selfie. That's great. Wonderful. Wonderful. I can see creative experiments everywhere. And that's what I want all of you to do. Wonderful. Let's come back to work. This is selfie master. Now, what is our second layout? Is farmer. Then they reach to a village where crop is about to get dry. They need water, rain urgently. And then what happened? Because of loss of pride in himself, he's running fast. Now Fluffy Cloud is running fast. Looking at them, farmer is having tears in eyes. The farmer is continuously staring. So I will show farmer in a very simple way. Again, I will use a circle. Gazing towards sky and looking at, okay, I will be showing this kind of angocha. You know, normally farmer, they just tie this kind of cloth overhead. Okay. And farmer is having tears in eyes. Not at all happy to see. You can show tears if you want. Okay. If you want. Otherwise, you can simply show the dialogue balloon that is not happy with this. A very thin body. Here the dialogue is, you have beauty but no hope. You know? So if you are able to impart hope in others' life, your life is successful. If you're not able to do this, then your life is meaningless. You know, how we can impart hope? By giving a big smile, by trying if possible to help. And here I will show crops. Okay. And this white cloud behind. Now here, gray cloud is behind and white is in front. We will be showing only a small part of gray, not in scene. Okay. So this is gray cloud and this is white cloud. Thinking that I am very proud. Now he has become proud also. And I will be showing crops also, farms. Just show this kind of bajra, okay, oval shape, and just show some grass. But this farm of this farmer need water urgently. There is urgent requirement of rainfall. Otherwise, this all farm will destroy. Okay, but looking at farmer is continuously staring in sky, but looking at that white cloud again, he's very much disappointed. So you can give a dialogue balloon here. You have beauty, but no hope. My crops are dying. I want water. Oh God, send my favorite gray cloud. Anything you can write. Okay. And then, just like the Savior, white cloud pass on. And gray is in frame now. Okay. And we will show very happy that his gray color is capable enough of making farmers happy. Farmer's wife, farmer's children, they all are happy and dancing. Okay, so I just made, this is back. Again, we are going to show them this ways. Okay, as they are looking that side. They are super happy. Yes, we are going to show rain. And you must have seen Lagan movie. Have you seen Lagan? In the one scene is there when they were waiting, they started dancing, and then the gray clouds. Do you remember that song? Khir Aaye Badra, that kind of a song. It is a great explanation of how farmers wait. But see, this is crops, and here farmer is super happy to see this. See, happiness, thanking God. Oh God, thank you so much. You sent this Savior cloud to us. Thank you so much. Okay. Even this lady, I will be showing this big, I will show crops and the kids, same position. Okay. We will be showing hands upwards. As we showed the kids in playground, same we are going to use here. See, now here we didn't use so many different postures. We use only 2 or 3 different postures and we complete our comic in that only. Here I want to show Choti again, as this is a village. You know, this layer. Okay. And I will be showing crops and raining heavily. Oval shape to show bajra. Okay. They all are very happy. Okay. We will cover up body with farms. And the most important, rain. It's raining. Very simple but very meaningful story. We just convert it in a comic form. You know what? During our times, we were not having these mobiles and so many channels on TV. So you know what? We were having a comic library, and in 25 paise, okay, we can issue one comic, you read and return it back, you will get the next one. And in holidays, we were having no time. Whole day we were busy with playing and reading comics and all. So see, this way is your complete comic is ready. Okay, you can write a dialogue balloon. Thank you so much, God. See, the last dialogue which I framed, You fill our life with hope, joy, and prosperity. We welcome you. We love you. You are best gift of God. Okay. This dialogue we are going to give to farmer and all these. Acha, now see, all these are na, so you can make this face. Now see this last balloon. Suppose I want to give a dialogue and they all are speaking. So what I will do? Yes. 1, I will erase 2, 3, and 4. The 4 are speaking. So you will show this kind of curved, suppose both are speaking the same dialogue. So you can just give this kind of curves towards everyone's face. And in the end, you can conclude even gray cloud was proud. And today realize that whatever God has gifted you, God gifted everyone with something special. We all have some special features in ourselves, but we will have to love that. At the place of complaining, and the second thing, don't criticize. Okay? Someone is fair, someone is fat, someone is thin, someone is smart, someone is average. Everything is gift of God. So criticizing that is criticizing God. Okay? So see our comic, and I'm eagerly waiting for lovely cover page and story. Okay, what name you are going to give to my story? Okay? Yes. So this is a great learning, and may develop it as your habit and make your countless comics. Yes, start with a collection. Take a rough register or any rough notebook or a file and start writing. You can write comic of 50 scenes, 60 scenes. You can write series. Suppose you are writing some mysterious, want to make comic of a mysterious story. Even you can go for line diagrams. If you are finding making this kind of figures difficult, go for line diagrams. Okay. Yes, God does everything for good. Yes, this is a very good. So many titles are there. I'm waiting for cover page. I really want to see that what magic my students are creating on this cover page. And even one more column can be added where you can conclude and write the moral of the story. So that we don't have space that much. So see 2 dialogues. Here these 2. Here, and description box will come here. Okay, description box will come here. Scene number 1, scene number 2. Okay, one more. Never judge a book by its cover. Good name. Very good. It's a good name. That looking at its gray color, you can't judge anyone. Very good title. Yes. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. Kya baat hai? Very good. My God, it means you're going to do miracle in this cover page. Yes, I'm very sure about. And tell me, show your thumbs up if you enjoyed today's comic stripe making. And how was movie session? Yes, enjoyed? Hannah, it was wonderful. Na? My junior kids in my school, they just love this movie session. I just asked them to close their eyes and just try to see the movie. And you know, it's a great experience. And it will help us improving our focus also. Okay, so this is our today's story. And cover page, don't forget to next class, we are going to cover it. Cover page is completely yours. And I can see beautiful and recording you will get in chat box of application. Okay, so today is the first day of our class 2 application. Finally, we have our own application. Since few months, we were switching on to this platform, to that platform, and whereas the technical issues with one phone, then another. Finally, with blessings of all of yours, we have our own application and things will become. First column is cover page, okay? You will give outlines. This is your homework. If you want to add anything, you can. If you want to skip anything, you can. Topic you will give. You will give? So this was all about our today's learning. And if you enjoy the class, can I see a big thumbs up with Badi Wali smile before winding up? All of you, yes, because the smile is something which help motivate me doing lots and lots of experiments with you. And you know what? You all prove yourself best every time. Yes. And see, don't forget this thing which you started today. There is a great demand of comic stripe makers and illustration makers in online market also and offline also. So this is a great career option also. You can pick it up as career option. So start making take a book and start developing your stories, make graphics and make a great collection. Okay. So this is all about. See, in chat box of the application, you will find recordings. Okay. So today we all got connected, and thank you so much for your cooperation throughout while getting connected to this platform. It was really a great challenging task, and finally we switched on to it. Yes, you will be giving outlines. This is your homework, and next class we will color it up. So with this, I will wind up. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, students.